Alright, Salakia. I accidentally got cut off over here. So anyway, it was like the light itself was like lifting things and slamming them back down to the ground, and just doing that repetitively, like just continually. And I just remember looking at it like, damn, like nobody that can fuck with that. Like, and you can tell in the dream, you know when you brothers have these dreams, you just know, like, you feel like you just know what's going on, like, about these things, like about these chariots, where you just knew that one chariot, like no amount of military in the world could stop it. Just that one chariot. Like, that's how much power this thing, and it was gigantic, but at the same time, it was nowhere near like what some of the other ones are going to be like, especially the fathership of Yahweh, the Most High Yahweh. But I just remember it was this sense of we were just all right. Like, we were looking at it like, a little bit nervous, you know what I'm saying? But like, we didn't think anything was gonna happen to us. Like, we knew we were gonna be all right. Like, I had that feeling. All praise to Yahweh B'Shem Yahushua. And like, I don't know if I just noticed them, by the time I arrived back at the house, or if they had already been here, but it almost felt like we were just doing our usual, going about getting something done, our usual errands or whatever. I don't even know. But it was amazing, man. Like, it was just so real, like at the power. But that was it, man. I just wanted to share that real quick. A lot of these sightings lately. Everyone around the world's been catching them. You can no longer deny it. So you got Acts 2:17, and it shall come to pass in the last days, saith Yahweh, I will pour out my spirit upon all flesh, and your sons and daughters shall prophesy, and your young men shall see visions, and your old men shall dream dreams. And on my servants and my handmaidens I will pour out in those days my spirit, and they shall prophesy. So yeah, man. Like I said, I don't have the other scriptures ready to go, but they can go in the comments later if you brothers can think of anything else. But I just want to give all praise, honor, and glory to Yahweh B'Shem Yahushai, B'Shem Ruach HaKodesh. Shalom.